In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your messages on eBay. Whether you're cleaning up your inbox or simply removing old conversations, managing your eBay messages efficiently can help you stay organized and keep your communications clear. Let's get started with this straightforward process that you can complete in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This is an essential first step because you won't be able to access your messages if you're not signed in. Make sure you have your username and password on hand or saved in your browser to make this step quick and easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Messages. eBay inbox, where all your communications with buyers and sellers are stored. It's a centralized location that allows you to view, manage, and organize your messages more effectively. Next, you'll see a list of messages. If there are specific messages you want to delete, look for the small checkbox next to each message. By clicking on the checkbox, you can select one or multiple messages that you wish to remove from your inbox. This feature is particularly helpful if you need to delete multiple conversations at once, saving you time and hassle. After you've selected the messages you want to delete, look towards the top of the page for the trash can icon labeled Delete. Clicking on this icon will remove the selected messages from your inbox. Keep in mind that once deleted, these messages cannot be recovered, so double check your selections before proceeding. Deleting messages can help tidy up your eBay communication space and make it easier to focus on current conversations. If there are messages you might need for future reference, consider creating backups or saving important information elsewhere before deleting them. And there you have it. Deleting messages on eBay is a quick and simple task that helps maintain clarity in your communication history. Not only enhance your buying or selling experience, but also make future interactions smoother and more efficient. Make it a habit to periodically clean up your inbox to keep it uncluttered. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. As always, happy eBaying.